Understanding Mark the Assignment, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase that you might encounter in an academic setting. Mark the assignment. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and give you some tips on navigating the educational landscape. So, let's get started. When someone says they're going to mark the assignment, they mean they are going to review, evaluate, and grade the work submitted by a student. This process involves checking the assignment against certain criteria or rubric to determine the quality of the work, the understanding of the subject matter, and how well the instructions were followed. The result of this process is often a grade or a score, which reflects the student's performance. The process of marking an assignment can vary depending on the subject, the level of study, and the instructor's preferences. However, it typically includes several key components. Reviewing the assignment. The marker reads through the assignment to understand the arguments, ideas, or answers presented. Evaluating the content. The marker assesses the accuracy, relevance, and depth of the content. Checking for originality. This involves ensuring the work is the student's own and not plagiarized. Providing feedback. Markers often give comments to help students understand their strengths and areas for improvement. Marking is a crucial part of the learning process. It provides students with valuable feedback on their work, helping them understand where they've excelled and where they can improve. For teachers, marking assignments is essential for assessing students' understanding of the material, their critical thinking abilities, and their skill development over time. Follow the instructions. Make sure you understand what is being asked of you in the assignment to meet the marking criteria. Seek feedback. Use the feedback from marked assignments to improve your future work. Ask questions. If you're unsure why you received a certain mark or need clarification on comments, don't hesitate to ask your teacher. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to mark the assignment, and why it's such an important aspect of the educational experience. Whether you're submitting your work or preparing to mark students' assignments, remember that this process is all about growth, learning, and improvement. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your educational journey.